All right, guys. Hello and welcome to my class. All right. So when it comes to Safari Suit Masterpiece class or Suit Masterpiece class, guys, you don't have to look no further. Let me show you something. Look, this right there is one of my Safari suits. Okay, one of my Safari suits. I'm going to show you quite a list. All right. So I'm putting together an amazing Suit Masterpiece class and Safari Suit Masterpiece class. All these are under construction. This is the inner waistcoat in it, all right? When it comes to making a suit, guys, I'll come to your final bus stop. With my Suit Master class, you can master how to make a suit in 7 to 14 days. Depending on how fast you are, all right, you can master how to make a suit. This is for a much younger person, all right? So if you are interested, okay, in my Suit Master class, this is another Safari, okay? If you are interested in my Suit Master class or my Safari Master class, all you need to do is just to, there's a link in the description below, click that link, all right? Or my number is on the screen, you can chat me up, guys. Believe you me, my classes are the best and the easiest. For those that have been part of my online class, they can attest to that. And I also do mentorship, okay? One-on-one mentorship, okay? If you want mentorship one-on-one, like video, okay? We do it one-on-one, guys. You can see chat me up and I'm up for that. I do that as well, okay? So which one you want to join my online Suit Master class, or you want us to do, a mentorship stuff like one-on-one mentoring, okay? We do video call, all right? And we have our classes through a video call. Guys, I'm up for that as well. I do it as well. So any of either you want, I'm up for grabs, all right? So if you're interested, guys, believe me, I don't just sell boxes and walk away. I say this publicly. And those that have been part of my class can testify to that, can attest to that, okay? Enjoy my class, ask questions, I answer you everything from beginning to the end until you master what you're looking for. I'm the best tutor online. Trust me on that, guys. If you're interested, chat me up or click the link in the description below and join my class, guys. What else can I say? Click it now before it's too late. You might not see the video again, alright? So see you in class. Thank you.